For professional water restoration services in your area, call 1-833-600-0511. If you sustain water damage from a flood or sewer backup or maybe a broken pipe, minutes can make the difference in the amount of property damage that your home or office may suffer. Secondary damage such as mold growth or the problem the increased humidity can cause with your home or business. This can be a significant health concern. Your family's health is far too important. Actually, water damage repair is much more than just water extraction. You certainly want the best local restoration company in your area to eliminate extended damage. Our water removal services include water extraction, drying the damaged areas, water in rooms, basements, or crawl spaces, and if needed, mold removal or mold remediation. Emergency water removal and cleanup services are provided by our experienced water damage repair experts. Let us restore your property back to new. Call us today. 1-833-600-0511. We're standing by.